What's up, guys? In today's video, I have an amazing stock. It is an ETF that is going to blow the market up. This thing, I think, is going to be making some big moves this year, and I believe we can at least see 100% gains in this ETF. It is Buzz, B-U-Z-Z. It came alive through David Portnoy, the man in charge over at Barstool Sports. So in today's video, we are going to be breaking this ETF down. We're going to be talking about what it is, should you buy it, at what price should you get to it, and we're going to be also doing some technical analysis and giving some price targets. So make sure you guys stick along for the video because this ETF is going to make you a lot of money. Now guys, let me know in the comments below, have you guys heard about this ETF yet? Because I recently just heard about it. Word is starting to get spread about it, but have you guys heard about this ETF? Let me know in the comments, yes or no. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Myles. I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. This is my second YouTube channel. My first YouTube channel, I primarily focus on cryptocurrencies, but I am an expert in technical analysis. And through technical analysis, I'm able to call out big plays before they happen because charts can pretty much predict the future. They can give us an idea of what is next for a stock or a cryptocurrency. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in the stock market, this channel is all about stocks. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single video. Guys, my videos are time sensitive and each and every one of my stock videos has been very profitable. So if you want to make a lot of profits, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and stay along for the video. Also, guys, go ahead and join the free Discord. We have over 500 members, and check out the Patreon. I offer my private trade alerts. I do financial coaching. I help build portfolios for people. So if you guys want to make a lot of money, if you guys want to get some of that, go ahead and check out the Patreon. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. So this week we seen, and I recently just came across it, the Buzz ETF. So with the Buzz ETF, it came alive through David Portnoy, the guy in charge at Barstool Sports. But look, this ETF is different than any ETF I've ever seen. The ETF has its own algorithm. Yeah, it picks stocks that have some of the highest bullish sentiment on the market, and it's going through Reddit, it's going through StockTwits, it's going through the internet for forums. It's looking for bullish sentiment on stocks, and this algorithm is able to pick it up. So what this ETF consists of 75 different stocks, and each of these stocks are traded or changed once a month. So some of the stocks that are becoming less bullish, they're going to be removed and replaced with something that is more bullish. And let's go ahead and look at some of these holdings right here. So look, top of the list, we see DraftKings, we're seeing Ford, Twitter, Facebook, American Airlines, Amazon, Apple, Disney, Pfizer, Microsoft, Moderna, General Motors, General Electric, Nvidia, JP Morgan, Peloton, Carnival, AT&T, Roku. Wow, this is amazing. Coca-Cola, Etsy, Fastly. A lot of these stocks have performed so well last year, and they're performing already this year so well. So guys, I think this is an awesome ETF. I recently purchased it today, but I am going to be adding more shares to this because I'm really bullish on this. And a lot of these stocks, like we see like Plug Power in here, a lot of these stocks, guys, are going to be really taking off this year just based on the government because we have stimulus finally got passed. So that is a huge catalyst for the stock market. So a lot of these stocks, guys, are great for the government that we're in, and that's why there's so much bullish sentiment. We have people returning to work. We have, the whole pandemic getting better. States are starting to open up. Travel is opening up. So this is huge, guys. And I believe that even you can just start picking through stocks out of here that you will make some profits on this. But guys, I believe that this ETF could at least see, just like we saw with ARK ETF last year, 100% gains, 200%, 300% on some of those. We could at least see 100%. And I think based on the stocks that are in here and based on the momentum of our economy and where we are going in the stock market, that we could see possibly 200, maybe even 300% gains in this stock. Yes, guys, 300% gains from now to the end of the year. I believe that is true. And not only will we be making a lot of money in this ETF if this stock does pay a dividend yield? It is 0.5 right now. I believe that will increase based on the performance of the ETF next year. So we will have to see about that and how often the dividend yields are. So we will be staying tuned for that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. Let's see how this thing has performed. Okay, so we're looking at a 1 hour chart. So when we saw the market open on Monday, this thing went up and it eventually came down and was in the red once it opened up. But the highest point it hit was 24.83, and then it eventually settled down. It retraced down a little bit, and we saw a reversal right here around 22.40. So that is that's a very strong level of support already, even though this stock does not have a lot of historical data. But what we are seeing is that ever since that little retracement, that little sell-off, people bought in, and we are seeing a strong move to the upside, which I believe we're going to continue very strongly, and hopefully hitting maybe $30 next week. I think that is possible for us to hit $30. So I'm going to be adding more shares immediately on Monday. I might try to catch a dip and then get into it, which we could possibly see as soon as the market opens. We might see a nice dip and get in at that point, or I would usually on Mondays, the market might just go up really fast and really high, and at that point I'd wait for a dip and then make my entry. But guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only, so do your own due diligence. So in conclusion, I think this is an amazing ETF, and I am going to be buying more shares. That is what I'm doing. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I believe that this thing is going to be going to the moon. So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe, and blow the comments up if you guys have any questions. I will get back to you. Check out the Discord, check out the Patreon, and I will see you guys tomorrow.